All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our morning note. It is Thursday, December 17th. Forgot to put my Apple Watch on. December 17th, 2020. Welcome aboard the morning note. We do this every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. You have it locked into our channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure, bottom right-hand corner, click, subscribe, like our videos, turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Welcome aboard. So Santa Rally, right? Santa Rally is full effect. We've been saying it. That the second half of December usually is pretty bullish, depending on looking at the history of the stock market seasonally. So we're looking at it here. Dow futures up 93, Nasdaq up 66, S&P up 17, and actually about 18, 37.11. We actually hit new all-time highs overnight on E-mini futures, Nasdaq, and Dow. Russell 2000 index is flirting with 2000, 1960. Bitcoin futures absolutely on fire. We've been saying it. You get into Bitcoin betting and blunts. What is Bitcoin betting blunts? I've been saying it. Bitcoin, you own it. Betting, DraftKings, Penn, Sportsbook, online. That's what you want. Blunts, cannabis stocks. If you bought Tilray, ACB, that's fine. We own THCX. That's the only one we own. And we own Planet 13, which is a penny stock, like right around $5 a share, PLNHF. So that is the biggest dispensary in Nevada. Those are the only two cannabis stocks I own. When it comes to Bitcoin, I have over 3 coins. I also own some Ethereum that I bought yesterday. So that's pretty much the only ones I own. But Bitcoin is my majority. I've been saying it, guys. Again, my price target on Bitcoin for next year is $35,000 by the end of 2021. That might be a little conservative, but that's where I'm at. I don't plan on selling it. I actually bought some more Bitcoin this morning. I buy every Thursday Bitcoin, and again, I just dollar cost average. That's all I do. I don't care if it's $1. I don't care if it's $1 million. I'm gonna keep accumulating. That's dollar cost averaging for you. I've been doing it with SPY-G all year, and I've been doing it with Bitcoin. So again, it doesn't matter where the price goes. If it goes down, great, I get a discount. If it goes up, even better. My existing Bitcoin is up. So again, I just put it on automatic pilot where I just make a deposit and I just make my rounds every single Thursday. For me, Bitcoin Thursday is when I buy. SPY-G Fridays is when I buy. So for those who are looking for action, that's what I do in regards to investing. That's what I do. SPY-G every Friday. Thursday is my Bitcoin buy. Also, I put it on Twitter and Instagram yesterday. PayPal volume was up big unusual activity. I don't know how else I could spell it for everybody, but again, it looked really good. I mean, it looked really good. Again, obviously use your proper risk management. We actually signaled it to our guys. There was a couple people on Instagram and Twitter who were like, it fell within 2 minutes. I apologize if that's only how long they last in every aspect of their lives. They're minute men and minute women. Just 2 minutes is all they can last in this business. I wish them the best. That's not how it works. It's called being patient. It's called waiting for trades. And if you cannot handle waiting for a little bit, you're in the wrong game. You're in the wrong business. And it's okay to understand that this isn't for you. But again, look how much it's up pre-market. We have the 240 calls for next week. The volume had around, I say about 20, 30,000 unusual activity. It's at 234.30 now. I mean, I don't know how much we have to prove to anybody where we've done Boeing multiple times. We've done Roku. We've done Square. We put it on Instagram, live the trades. I put it on YouTube, live the trades. But again, if people want to question the way we do things and they don't like the way they do things, that's fine. My thing is don't follow. You don't have to follow what we do. You don't have to look at what we do. You could do however you like. But I mean, I don't think I would hire a personal trainer and still do my own workouts. If you're joining us or you're following us, it's obviously because you like something and you want to follow. If you want to undermine, fine. All right, I'll just ignore you. I don't care. I mean, I have to do things I have to do. But if individuals want to throw in their little 2 pennies and their 2 cents into things, I'm all for being open. But to undermine my team and undermine us and saying that the way we do things is wrong, well, we've been around since 2014. I think we've been doing stuff okay. So I think we're going to keep doing things the way we do and with the team that we have. So, I mean, to those who are saying to stay short, that Bitcoin is overbought and we don't know what we're talking about, how are you feeling today with Bitcoin? Hope you're feeling pretty good. And if you've been listening, like our top 10 stocks of 2020, Take a look at Roku. You're welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Looking at good morning, Roy. Good morning, TGT calls. If it breaks 174.95, looking at 170 calls. Let's take a look at TGT. Yeah, TGT, you need this break of 175. Yep, you need that 200 day. You're not there yet. PFE long still. Yep, I still own PFE. Been owning it. Good morning, Carlos. Any good substitutes for QQQ like SpyG? QQQ is probably your better bet when it comes to tech. You can always buy ARKK, which is the other tech ETF. SpyG is just it's a growth ETF. That's all. And the S&P. Palantir. I own Palantir long term. I love it. It looks like it is coiling. So again, nothing to do there. Thanks for sharing PayPal yesterday. It's gonna pay for all Christmas. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. Again, guys, it's really, you know, it's not that was a freebie. Again, it's something to look at. What you decipher with the information, guys, I don't put a gun to your head what to do. I can't tell you what to do. I can't press the button for you. I can't. At the end of the day, guys, you're human beings. You have brains, you have minds. You have to make your own decision. If you take the information that we give you, great. If you don't take it, that's fine too. It is really your decision. What I don't want from you to do is that you take this information and go all in on something. Or you don't take the information and get mad at us because you didn't take it. Now, at the end of the day, some personal responsibility is very key. So again, look at that, the lens of that. We're going to give you setups. We're going to see something. We're going to let you guys know, no matter what. And if you don't like it, guys, you can unfollow. You can unsubscribe. I understand. You don't have to follow us. I get it. That's all. Let's see. Good morning, DK. What do you think about DKNG at 1855? 55 calls. Let's see, DKNG. Yeah, I mean, I love DKNG. It is definitely on the move, and you should get that bounce. It looks like New York is probably going to look like legislating sports gambling. So again, it was as high as 54.80. We did get a little bit of a fade on E-mini futures, so I think it'll stay up. 375 calls on SPY. Not for this week. Definitely not. That's a pretty hefty bet. Depends on your expiry. Should we sell at the open or let PayPal ride? See where you're at in the morning. If you get a good profit, take your money and move on with your life. Very simple. No, I mean, at the end of the day, guys, it's just, I understand people may have comments. And I'm all for it. I'm all for it. But I've noticed it's usually the same 5 knuckleheads that like to say something. And I'm talking about Instagram and social media that always like to throw their little 2 cents. And boy, if their 2 cents meant anything, man, they'd be rich, but they're not. So again, anytime I make a call in regards to the S&P being in a bull run, I'm wrong, even though I was right. Bitcoin, you're wrong. I've been right. Roku, I'm wrong, but I'm right actually. So if they could build an ETF on the opposite of what they say, man, that'd be nice. But they've just been wrong. I understand if someone wants to have a conversation and say, hey, you know, this is what I think, and give me some facts and back it up. Just saying I'm wrong doesn't really move the needle for me. Just say why. Again, I'm willing to learn. I'm not perfect. Thoughts on XPEV. Again, another one of those EV companies in China. China companies are taking a little bit of a hit, obviously. So what you want to do is just pretty much just wait it out. If you're looking to buy this company, right now is probably a good time to buy some. PLTR. Yeah, when it comes to PLTR, right now you're on the side. Not much going on. So wait for the volume, see what you get. They would be rich, but they're not. They're not. They're not. I highly doubt someone who has millions in the bank is wasting their time on Instagram with no photo, no posts, and one following one, which is us, and wants to write to me. I mean, by all means, you know, if you want an autograph, just ask. I'm kidding. UPS. I do like it long term. I don't own it. I had a question of that in the investment club about either UPS or FedEx, and UPS has actually a better dividend. I like UPS longer term. There's nothing here in regards to options. If we get some volume, then maybe. Microsoft looks pretty good. Yeah, definitely Microsoft looks really good. And you could see right around 220.73. It broke that 217.64 level. Once it gets above 220.73, it's going to be on fire. There was a lot of volume, 240 for February. Take a look at those. The 240 calls for February, tons of volume. Unusual activity too. PFE, remember guys, PFE, there hasn't been anything in regards to the vaccine. Yes, it's been sent. Has it been proven? Has it worked? Again, trials, but nothing else. Could be a sell the rip, sell the news events. Now, once it is for sure, people have claimed, hey, I feel better, people are going out, people are doing their thing, Pfizer will bounce. I own Pfizer long term. BA, especially with the Canadian news. BA is okay. I mean, it's breaking down below the 200. I love the stock, but it still needs to get above around 240, which is that 50% retracement. So take a look at that. Ever since I started trading at the volume of the contract, I've been getting better at trading. Do great work. Thank you. Appreciate it. Again, volume isn't everything at the end of the day. Don't try to be a one-trick pony and say, oh, well, volume is enough. No. Oh, well, the chart is enough. No. You have to be well-rounded, of course. I think what everyone's trying to do is find that silver bullet. It doesn't exist. It doesn't exist, guys. This is not easy. Let me make that clear. This is not easy to do every day. It's very difficult. So you either get sloppy or you get better. You don't change. That's it. Roku, no scalps on Roku. That'll be difficult because it does love to move and it's expensive. I own the stock, top 10 stock of 2020. If you have been following us since January, you have been in long Roku and you're welcome. Lulu, last one. Lululemon, love it. When it comes to the stock, I own it, but the options you have to see. You did break above the 200, which is good. Let's see what the volume comes at. If you do want to target, it'll probably be around 380. So that's where we are. Have a great rest of your day, guys. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for the morning note. I will not be next week for the morning note. I will be out. I have a little bit of a well-deserved rest vacation with the wife, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So maybe on Thursday, I'll go ahead and check in and do a video. I have my premium YouTube guys where I'll check in with them. We're going to do some class. We're going to do a class together. But other than that, next week is pretty much a chill week. It's going to be a holiday week. So make sure to get your shopping in. G.A.R capitalfx.com. Have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for Friday's morning note. Thank you so much for your time. We'll catch you guys later.